I've been there before. It's early in the morning, or maybe the night before I didn't feel like going to the grocery store. Time to go to work. I don't feel like packing a lunch. I'm just going to buy lunch when I get to work. If you buy lunch every day, think about how much you're spending on lunch and what that might cost you in a year. So, again, $5 to $10. Fast food used to be cheap. I'm going to go run to McDonald's and grab a lunch, and you get a number one meal, and now it's $6, $7. You supersize it. You quickly get to $10, right, to buy a lunch when you eat out. Packing your lunch still costs money. It's not free. So depending on what you pack and how much it costs you versus eating out, let's just say you can save $5 a day. Packing your lunch versus eating out. $5 a day, you work 250 days a year, right? So if you think about it, it's 50 weeks times 5 days a week. That's 250. And at $5, that's $1,250 a year that you spend on lunch for yourself. What if you were to take that money and put it into an investment? Let's just say $1,000 a year. If you could save $1,000 a year, how much money would you have for retirement? And do that multiple times for various savings. Watch this other video to see how I made $1 million by eventually working my way up to $1,000 a month. You can do the same thing. Look for savings. Save on your lunch. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe. I've picked out one of these videos for you. YouTube's picked out the other one. Catch you in the next video.